Hello my dear students, welcome to my channel. Today we will be saying what is this a plus b whole square and a plus b whole cube. All the time we are using this in all the equations to solve the equations. How did I just get this formula? How did we just get this? Today we will see in a simple way, make you understand. Need not to mug up this formula, just understand how this formula is derived. So once you understand, it will be very easy to just keep it in your mind. So today we will be solving a plus b whole square and a plus b whole cube. Coming to the point, that is a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square. How was this just solved? What is the square called? Square, anything multiplied a into a is always a square. So if I just add this, this is 2a. So this is multiplied. In case I have a plus b into a plus b. The two terms of a plus b and a plus b is called a plus b whole square. Just to know how will I derive this is simple. So we are multiplying these elements and these elements. How are we just multiplying? The first element into the second elements and the second element into the second elements of both the variables. So if I multiply, what is a into a? Anything a into a is a square. A into a is a square. Again, so a into b is ab. So again, plus b into a is ba plus b into b is b square. So here a into a is a square, a into a is a square, a into b is ab, b into a is ba into b into b is b square. To know this, how did I just get this multiply of the product? I will be explaining the basic things in the next video. So we will be solving this identity here. A square plus, so we have AB and AB here. So AB is also same. Say for example, if I write 3 into 6 and 2 into 3, these both are same. So A into B and B into A will also be the same. So here, if I just add this, so if I add it, as I told you, if I add anything, it is something like this. So AB plus AB is how much? Plus 2AB plus B square. This is the way we have find the formula, and this is where we are using the formula in all our equations to solve the problem. You need not to mug up, or you just keep the procedure so that you can easily understand how the derivative has been identified. Now, similarly, solving a plus b whole cube. So, a plus b whole cube. So, cube is, that is a plus b is multiplied 3 times. That is a plus b is multiplied 3 times. 1, 2, 3. See, this has been multiplied 3 times. So, this I can already have derived. I can just write it something like a square plus 2ab plus b square. So, this I am just writing it very simple. To keep it very simple, I am just using this. I need not to multiply this and this. Again, I need not to multiply this because we have already derived it. We know what is a plus b and we know what is a plus b. This also can be written as something like a plus b whole square into a plus b. So, we have 3 a plus b, a plus b, a plus b, which has been multiplied, and the combination of multiplication is called a plus b whole cube. So, I have written something like this. The relationship between this and this is multiplication, that is enclosed by the product is nothing but multiplying the term of a plus b and the multiplying a square plus 2ab plus b square. Multiply a with all the terms, a with all the terms, and again b with all the terms. So, to know this multiplication, sir, how will I multiply? I don't know the basic of multiplication. I don't know the basic multiplication of variable. You wanted to know the basic multiplications? Just comment me what is will be explaining you all the basic terms in your next video. You have any doubts on your identities, or you wanted the explanation of the multiplication basic rule? Comment. I will be explaining you. This is a into the old terms and b into the old terms. So write it very simple. That is a into the old terms, a square plus 2ab plus b square. Again, I will just keep this plus here, plus b into a square plus 2ab plus b square. So as I have explained, this has been multiplied with both things, and again this is multiplied with both things. This is what I have written. Now multiplication is very easy for you. A into a square. A into a square is a cube. A into a. So is a cube. If it is a plus a plus a, it is 3a. But where all the students get confused, the basic rule, because always when they are multiplied, some students will write 3a. So this is totally wrong. A into a square is a cube plus. Now I need to multiply this a into 2ab. What happens when I am multiplying with this 2ab? That is, a is multiplied with 2ab, a into a. So 2 is kept as it is because I have no any other numerical there to get multiplied. So I will keep it very simple. If you want to know if something is not there, I will say it is a 1. When it is 1 is multiplied with 2, it is nothing but 2 again here. So 1a into 2ab. That is 2a into a is how much? A square. So then I don't have anything, so I have to just keep it b. The term when I multiply 1a into 2ab square is ab square, because I don't have a term here. So a into b square is ab square. So this has been multiplied. Then I have to multiply this b with all the terms. That is plus b multiplied with a square is nothing but ba square, plus again this b will be multiplied with 2ab. If I multiply with 2ab, what happens? B, again we have only 1 here, there is not any numerical. So what we have to do? 2 remains the same to b is how much? B square. Simple. So the final one is b into b square. What is b into b square? Cube. Already we have got our answer. Just rearranging that and solving the basic terms, we will get the answer of this. A cube plus b cube plus 3a square b in plus 3ab square. How is that formed? We will see. First I will write a cube. Next I am just rearranging because all my variables are on my positive or plus signs. So if anything is not there, it is nothing but a plus. So plus a cube, and I will write this b cube because we don't have any matching terms on cube. So I have written it a cube plus b cube and 2a square b and a square b here. So now there is an addition symbol here. That is, if I just add these both. Why am I adding this? Because here 2a square b plus 1a square b is how much? 3a square b. Similarly, plus if I just take this ab square plus 2ab square. 1ab square plus 2ab square is how much? 3ab square. You have already got your formula. A cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. This also can be written as a cube plus b cube plus You can just simplify this. How will I simplify? Just to take a common, taking common. What is common here? I have in these two things, just see which is similar. 3 is similar? Yes. We have 3 here. And which is similar again? We have A is common in both, and we have B common in both. I have written it. So if I just take the common out, what is left out? I will see. So I have taken 3 from this. 3 is here. A from this. A is here. The left out term is, we have how many A's here? We have 2 A's. 1 A, 1 A. And I have taken 3 outside. A is 1 outside common. The left out A is 1 A here. And I have taken B. I have nothing. Only left out with this term is only A. Again, I have plus here. Just write the plus here. And I have taken common as 3. 3 is here. I have taken common A. A is here. And I have taken B. I have 2 B's here. Out of 2B, 1 B I have taken it as common. The left out is simple, only 1. So plus B cube plus 3A square B plus 3AB square. That also can be derived as A cube plus B cube plus 3AB into A plus B. This is the simple identity we are using throughout our 10th standard, 11th standard, 12th standard, in all the equations where we are just mugging up, and we do know from where I was getting all this. Why should I mug up all this? So now you need not to mug up. Just you have any confusions, practice for 2 times, understand it when in a simple mode, you can solve the problems easily. To watch or to know what is the basic terms, to know what is the product, or to know what is addition. Sir, what is LHS? What is RHS? How will I multiply? How will I add? How will I subtract? All this can be solved. I am going to show you the next video where all the basic things will be explained. If you like the video, just click on and subscribe my channel to keep updated. Thank you so much.